the Japan shop.
いいんですか?
Are you sure?
Today's phrase is
いいんですか? いいんですか?
literally means, is it good or is it okay? It can be used in many situations, but today, let's use this phrase when receiving a gift from someone.
いいんですか?
Implies both asking confirmation and expressing gratitude for the gift, offer, or treat. It can mean, are you sure? Oh, that's so nice of you. Really? Thank you. You didn't have to do that. Is this for me? Thank you. You might wonder what the is for. After all, both
いいですか?
and
いいんですか?
use the same core words. The softens and adds an indirect feel. This is a very Japanese way of doing things. It may even show the speaker's compassion and humility. Also, the two phrases can mean different things in different contexts.
いいですか?
Sounds like a stern teacher who wants to make sure the students are listening and understanding. Okay, listen up. Are you following? In this case, the teacher is asking, is the situation in good order to continue my lecture?
いいんですか?
On the other hand, is asking if the person is all right with the situation. Are you sure it's good? In short,
いいですか?
is used when asking permission or requesting something.
いいんですか?
Can do that too with a more humble feel, but it also is used to ask confirmation and express gratitude when receiving some unexpected but good thing. Example contexts.
いいんですか?
Is often used when receiving something, when asking if someone is okay. Variations.
いいの?
Are you sure? The
んです.
is a short form of,
のです.
but by dropping the
です. いいの?
becomes more casual. Use among friends.
素敵. ありがとう.
This is so nice. Thank you.
会話1.
Conversation number 1.
私がおごるよ。
いいんですか?
私がおごるよ。
It's my treat.
いいんですか?
Are you sure?
私がおごるよ。
It's my treat.
いいんですか?
Are you sure?
会話2.
Conversation number 2.
車で家まで送りますよ。
本当にいいんですか?
車で家まで送りますよ。
I'll give you a ride home.
本当にいいんですか?
Really? That's so kind of you.
車で家まで送りますよ。
I'll give you a ride home.
本当にいいんですか?
Really? That's so kind of you.
皆さん、頑張りましょう